Don't judge my mortising skill. Okay, moment.
Is it done?
Yeah. Look how fast it is, right? And we drop it in. Boom. I'm gonna leave that in there actually. Literally, I bought this door for $35 just to do this video. I was looking for a custom door jig for this door lock. Good thing about Instagram, you can, like, you know, scroll through, and I found right door jig, Garth. I contacted him, asked him to make me basically a custom jig. Point it down here. And he even put my logo on it. That's so cool.
Sweet. So you ordered that back in 14?
Yeah, back in 14. It's for all the door, basically all the doors in there. We have to basically router it in. Yeah, it didn't come pre-routed from the factory, so we had to do everything. So this thing was amazing. I asked for this, but I got sent all this. So I gotta try out a few of them. I think I can try this one out today and show you how it works, and I can try this one out and show you how, because this I know how it works. Okay, let's go. Come. So yeah, this one is for this one.
What are you doing? You're marking the center of
the door, because I'm trying to line it up to these black marks.
Show the viewers about your little fancy square.
It's a baby little square, but it's a double square. So I can have the door, what do you call it, center set up this side, and my normal square mark this side. I don't have to adjust it. Gaston sells this, by the way. Little plug. First step is you open up these, like 2, 4.
Loosen it up.
Yeah, loosen it up. Make it a little bit wider, because you can go quite a far. I don't think there's doors about this big. And then what you do, see the black lines? You line it up with the pencil line. Yeah. Sweet. Hold it here. Hold it this side tight. This one's just a little bit. There we go. There we go. And this side. That's actually quite solidly in there, but for safety, I like to use this. Yeah, it's like a little, well, this is a table saw clamp, I think. And now it's solid. It ain't gonna move. And hopefully I didn't do a oopsie by clamping that jig down without drilling this beforehand. Did I do a oopsie? No, I didn't, but I'm not comfortable with that. Make sure you drill the hole, the bore hole, before you put this jig in. Okay, center. I bloody love these. The Festool force snippet. They're so handy. Look at how clean the hole is. Okay, drop it back down. Adjust it. So the crosshair is lined up again. Yeah, lucky I took it out because I was really close to the jig, bro. And then what I can do is just put this here and then have a check. Oh wait, here we go. Have a check of like how it lines up. Whoa! Hello! That gave me a heart attack. Okay, here we go. So see, have a look. It's pretty much a little bit proud. Basically, you gotta combine this material and this material, which is the thicknesses here, to match your router bit while it's sitting on the jig. Start from the middle. Make sure your jig's sitting nicely on it. No, you're gonna damage this acrylic. Okay, since this is a square, what is it called? A square face, not a rounded face. So see how I got a square face? Can you see it? I have to do one more step with this. Take it out, and then if you order the set, this comes with it. It's a spring-loaded squaring jig. Oh well, it's a squaring chisel. See how I just took that rounded edge off? You want me to try that again? And it's tight, so usually when it's tight, I like to just give it a little tap. Actually, it's not tight, it's perfect. There we go. That's quite clean.
Very clean, very easy.
Yeah, like very easy, man. I mean, even you can do it as an apprentice, right?
Yes. Yes.